Hello YouTube, welcome to our third video here for our eighth topic. We're looking at energy or electricity usage in the home. Now we've got electrical appliances, fans, heaters, lights, whatever, and it requires a certain amount of power to make each of those things go. Right? Heater needs a lot more power to make it work than a light bulb, for example. But how long we operate those appliances as well contributes to how much energy we're using. So the energy that we use is equal to the power times the length of time. So the power that we use, how hard it is to make something work, is measured in watts with a capital W. And again, 1,000 watts is 1 kilowatt. 1,000 kilowatts is 1 megawatt. You might have, for example, a solar panel system on your roof that generates 5 kilowatts, right? Which means that at any sort of given point, if it's working at optimum efficiency, it can provide 5,000 watts of electricity, 5,000 watts of power. Now, our units of energy, and essentially this is what we use, this is what we build for, are watt hours, right? It really is literally the power multiplied by the time. Most typically, what we get billed for, right, we talk about a power bill, but really it's not a power bill, it's an energy bill. What we're billed for usually are in units of kilowatt hours. To work out how many kilowatt hours we're using, it's the number of kilowatts divided by, it's the number of kilowatts multiplied by the number of hours. So, here's an example here. How many kilowatt hours of energy are used when a 1,800 watt heater is operated for 4 hours a day for 30 days? Well, I need to know the number of kilowatts and the number of hours, and I multiply those things together to get kilowatt hours. So, let's write some things down here. I'm going to say that 1,800 watts is 1.8 kilowatts. Now from there, I'm going to say 4 hours per day times 30 equals 120 hours. So now I can say that my energy is 1.8 times 120 kilowatt hours. Okay, so that's going to be 216 kilowatt hours. Like that. Now you'll find this exercise full of all sorts of things, graphs and tables and percentages and rates and ratios and whatever else. But that understanding that power is measured in watts, that energy is measured, well, perhaps in joules from our previous video, but an equivalent unit or a unit that measures energy as well is kilowatt hours. The number of kilowatts multiplied by the number of hours. Okay, that's all we have for this video here. I hope it's helpful. If you've got any questions though, make sure you jot them down and have them ready for me in class. Thanks very much.